Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Allreli wireless car charger and automatic induction car holder. This is model number X8. Wow, this looks really spacey here. This looks really smart because there is a built-in electronic motor and this can with the help of the optical visual effect, see that there is an obstacle in case of a smartphone in front of it, and then it will open automatically the clamp function. That's cool. And if after this action, if there is the smartphone hold in position, it will clamp it together and let it not free again until you push on right or left side on the contact areas, and then it will release your smartphone. This is cool. Sci-fi in my car right now. The smart wireless car charger holder is an intelligent product. Yes, indeed. It supports 10 watt, 7.5 watt, and of course, that's fast charging. Of course, it's compatible with 5 watt charging too, because there is an inductive plate installed. That means it is not only so smart to hold our smartphone automatically in position. No, there's more. It can be recharge our smartphone while it is installed. That's cool. I think it's really cool. With smart and safe design, it is in CHEE standard, which compatible with all mobile phones and the CHEE standards, of course. Wireless when charging gives us convenient and safe charging environment. Cool. We have the charger indicator light. It is blue and red. It is blue while it is charging. It is red while it is ready. That's cool. Standby red, charging green, and no blue. It was blue, I think. Then wireless charging area is on the plate itself. So we have a sensor button and infrared sensor built in. We have on the right and the left side the sensor buttons to remove the smartphone. We have automatic telescopic clamps right and left, which enters into the motor in the center. We have the bottom bracket to hold the smartphone in position. It is, of course, in this case, I think it's better to let this in the upright position, not in the flat, not in the 90 degrees rotation position. I think it's not the good solution for it, but it will be work, but not so good, I think. We have a USB-C interface and a micro USB interface. You can choose what wire you can use. We have a rolling ball, a bracket, a lock button to mount it on your glass window, for example. But my favorite is really, I like it to clamp it on the air vent, because this, I think, is the best solution to attach such a wireless charger, really. After selecting one of these attachment devices, we aim at the position of the nut. Then we rotate to tighten it with the suction mount or the air vent mount. We install the whole set of smart wireless car charger holder into an air vent or, of course, center console or any other location. We connect the USB cable and the charger indicator light is red. Steady status, baby. The two clips will automatically open and grip our phone when we put the phone closer to the holder within 100 millimeters. Then the red light off and the blue LED light on. Means it is charging, baby. That's really cool. When we need to take the phone out, we only just touch the sensor button on the side when the clip will open automatically and we can take out our smartphone. We can choose the right or the left sensor button. That's really cool. It's compatible with all iPhones from iPhone 8 up to iPhone 13 Pro. What else? Samsung S6 up to S9 Plus and above. The Note 5, Note 8, Nokia Lumia from 820 up to 1520 and more. Google Nexus 455 and all CHEE standard devices out there. The input voltage is a 5 volt 2 ampere or 9 volt and 1.67 ampere. The output power will be 5 watt, 7.5 watt or 10 watt. The charging distance is more than 8 millimeters. The charging efficiency is more than 76%. That's a lot, I think. That's really cool. So we should adjust the bottom bracket to make the phone at the wireless charger inductive center. It will fall to charge if placed improperly, okay? We need to use a QC20 or in QC30 car charger adapter to get the 7.5 watt or 10 watt fast charging. This is not included in the box. For this, we will need an extra additional cable on the market. We removed the metal ring holder, the metal attachment and credit cards for optimal charging. We do not work with, it does not work with uneven watch cases, metal or magnetic wallets or card cases, of course. And we should keep the product away from water because there is electronic inside. Yeah, of course. Oh, that's cool. This is the really nice Allreli wireless car charger and automatic induction car holder in ones. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.